Hello everyone, this is Dr. Dan from Radiant Health and Wellbeing. I'd like to share with you one little trick to stop coughing. I've done this a lot of times for myself. It's right around this area in the throat. According to the Chinese medicine, when you cough, it's because the energy that's supposed to move downward is moving upward in this area. So put one middle finger right here on the throat, just in the notch right here. And then the other middle finger, right, move from the chin downward. Just hold those 2 points. It stops cough right away for a lot of cases. I've shared that with many friends and with my clients. It works like magic. So do that regularly. Just helps you to strengthen this area, helps you to direct the energy to flow in the direction that it's supposed to flow. Take good care, everyone.